Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I'm still very bearish on the monthly time frame for sure. I still think this is going to make a nice five-way pattern to the downside, probably at least to the 100% Fibonacci extension, someplace around the 1.13 area, which I think is going to be a wave C, part of this A, B, and C pattern. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I mean, we definitely did make a strong move up, but to me, it looks very clear to be five ways down, wave one. I think there's a good chance this move up is a wave two. Now, whether or not this wave two is actually over is definitely debatable. I think today's non-farm payroll should confirm whether the wave two is really over or not. It would make a lot more sense if it actually did this before it did continue the downtrend. But if the market proves to us that the wave two is over, we definitely better believe it. So going down to the daily, I mean, we definitely do have a three-way pattern to the upside. And this move down is looking pretty strong, but if it does make a Fibonacci bounce today at the news, looks like something like that, then I would actually say that this is three waves up, three waves down, and now we're going to either lead to a five waves up, which would be more like a flat pattern, or possibly three waves up, which would be like an ABC, 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 which is a WXY pattern. So today is going to be definitely critical, the non-farm payroll news, to help confirm whether this is actually a one, a two, and a wave three, and it's just going to keep on trending down, or whether this is actually an a B, and a C, and that it's going to like bounce from a fib level and continue the uptrend. Either way, we should definitely recognize whether this is a three or whether it's a C, because we should see a nice Fibonacci bounce if it is a C with a break of structure. If it's a wave three, it still may make a Fibonacci bounce, but it will probably make a lower high, and just keep on trending down. So we should definitely be able to tell the difference either way. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely still looking for shorts until we get like a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure. If that does happen today, then I will definitely become a buyer again. But if it does keep on going down, then I think we should continue to look for shorts. I mean, there's a possibility this is the end of the correction on the higher time frames, and that we're already in that big wave three of wave C. And if that's the case, then we definitely want to go short at the end of every single pullback we see for the continuation of this downtrend and continue to do so. But like I said, if it bounces from that Fibonacci on the 4 hour time frame, makes that double bottom, makes a break of structure, then I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.